We all know that I'm no stranger to eyelashes. I'm either wearing falsies, strip lashes, I'll be wearing magnetic lashes. I get my lashes done a lot of the times because I don't like doing them every day. But today we have a new product to try. We will be trying out the Falscara New Way to Lash system. So let's go. So give this video a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you know when we upload the next video. Okay, so this is a Kiss Falscara lash extension set. It comes with lashes and a bonder and a sealer. Now let's open this up. Maybe. Okay. All right. And this is just the kit I got. I think this is the starter kit. They have other ones as well. So these are the lashes that I chose. And there is no instructions on the inside of the box. They're all on the back right here. So it says, brush a light coat of bond onto the natural lashes. A little goes a long way. Wisp under lashes. Use the Falscara applicator to pluck a lash from the tray as shown. Pick up the lash and from the middle outer end, one by one, gently place the wishes underneath the base of your natural lashes. Seal the deal. Put the seal under the wispies. Final touch, any sticky residue, and holds the Falscara wisp in place. Apply before starting from the outer corner of the lash line, working inwards or vice versa. Be sure to place wispies right next to each other for a seamless look. Use the applicator or your fingers to squeeze the wispies against your natural lashes. This helps adhere a more secure hold. And to prolong the life of your lashes after use, wipe any bond residue with rubbing alcohol or makeup remover. Okay, so I was told you could actually wear these for a couple days. The company only recommends 1 day at a time. They recommend you taking them off every time. So we will see. This is actually adhered on there. So, and as you can see, they go little to big. So we will be doing that. Now let's get started. My eyelashes are clean. I did go ahead and put on my makeup, but I did not put on any mascara. So this says it's not going to, no clumps, no smudging, obviously, no strips, no damage, no mistakes. So it's supposed to be really easy to use. This is the applicator, and it is a patent pending applicator for you to stick them on there. I am going to start with this eye and work myself that way. Don't get this in your eye. It is very strong. I can feel the I can feel it. They do seem really easy to use. They're kind of hard to take out of the tray because they are sealed. Oh, okay. No, maybe not. Maybe I just didn't take off the cap like I was supposed to. So, oh. Try not to blink a whole lot because they do stick to your bottom lashes. And they are a little difficult to get out of the tray. And that's one eye. Go ahead and go around and squeeze it. And that's what it looks like so far. So I like it so far. So we'll go ahead and seal that side. Oh no, that last one came out. Okay, so go ahead and add a little bit more bond to those final lashes. Maybe I didn't put enough on my inner corner. Okay. Just really don't want to stick. Okay, that one was a little bit difficult. I think they're on there. So now let's try to seal them. So the camera died, but I finally got that one on, as you can see. And it looks good. I already got it sealed. So we'll go do the other one, and then I'll be back to show you how I sealed it. All right, so we got the other side on now. And my camera died, so But we got it on, and we are going to go ahead and seal it, and I'm going to show you how I seal it. So first I'm going to go underneath like it says. That's just to make sure that nothing remains sticky. Okay, and then what I found on the other one, you know, after my camera died, is that if you go on top, it helps it seal as well, because they're still quite sticky on top. Okay, so and then it does leave this white film. I don't know if you can see it on your eyelashes, so if you just go through and clean that up with your fingers, it fixes it. And this is what they look like. So far I like them. There is a little bit of a learning curve. I'm not used to putting eyelashes on the underneath of my eyes, so we got that. The adhering, or the bond, it stays tacky, so if you like blink your eyes a lot while you put it on your top eyelashes, they will stick to the bottom eyelashes. So that's another thing. Other than that, it was a pretty smooth application. You got to make sure you coat your entire lash whenever you go to put the strip on, because if you put the strip on and you don't coat your entire lash, you'll get like it did with this one where it's falling off. And yeah, so I'm going to wear these all day. I'm going to go put mascara on my bottom lashes, and then I will come back with my final review. Okay, so these eyelashes, they are okay. I actually like them. There are some upsides, like you can barely feel them, that you have any on. Like they're not like strip lashes. They're not coming up or anything like that. So that's good. Now, I did just take that one off, so there's that. Because whenever I rubbed them, I felt it a little bit loose, but that one is the one that that I was having issues with this morning putting on. It was the first lash I put on. Another thing is you got to place them correctly, because if you look at this one right here, I kind of placed it over the other lashes. So there's that. And then also you want to make sure you don't place it too close to the to your waterline on the underside, because you'll be able to fill that all day. So I'm going to say that is a user error. There is a learning curve as far as putting them on and wearing them, but all in all, they wore really well. I've had these on for about 12 hours, and even the one that was loose stayed on all day. The stickiness that when you put on the primer is gone, so that's a good thing. I didn't have any issues as far as like closing my eyes or the water hitting it or anything like that. As you can see, my makeup has worn off a little bit. I have really good eye primer, so not too much, but it has worn off a little bit. And this is on a 12-hour wear, so it actually worked out pretty well. Excuse my dog. She's throwing a little bit of a fit. Okay, so, but I mean, other than that, I really do like them. Is it a system that I'll continue with? I'm not sure. Once I get the learning curve down, maybe. I think it is a pretty good system. If I wasn't in so much love with the magnetic lashes that I wear, then I would probably use this a lot more. But I find that they're actually easier for me to put on, because I just put the liquid eyeliner on, let it dry, and then I pop them bad boys on, and they last me 12 to 15 to however long I wear them. But yeah, so I mean, I'm not knocking these. This is a good system. Like I said, there is a little bit of a learning curve. They do last quite a while. They're not like strip lashes where you have a hard time wearing them or anything. And the bands are real light, and they do look as close to extensions as you can get without getting actual extensions, so that's a positive. But yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and give these a thumbs up. There are a few learning curves as far as the application and all that, but all in all, it's a pretty good system. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Want to see more videos like this one, hit the subscribe button down below, and we'll see you in the next one. Have a good day. Bye.